Any queries, guys? Any one of you like you can unmute yourself and you can ask the queries if you people are having any queries regarding the installation part, and regarding the uh, creation of the just how I have shown you to create the tables initially. Just regarding that, is there any queries means let me know. So if not, if not means we'll move on. We'll move on to next topic. Have you people have gone with the things which we have done yesterday? Practice Sheshara. I hope everyone is still over here. Have you people have done the practice of the yesterday's class topics and creation of the files, that tables and installation part? Any queries? Let me know. I'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Unique and distinct both are remove duplicate values, and what is main difference? No. For example, like unique and distinct means like not about the what were the unique values in that. Like yes, removing duplicates is different term. We should not use over here. But like here, that is like to know the distinct, to know the distinct, like to know the distinct values. One second, yes. One second. To know the distinct values. Suppose removing duplicates is a different term. We should not use here. Okay. To know the distinct values. Unique and distinct both are same. Unique means I've explained in unique. The term here used is a distinct. Distinct is the distinct is the word which we will be using over here for the for the for which part, for writing and query, for to see the unique things, for writing and query, to see the for writing and query, to see the unique thing, we'll be using here distinct is the thing which we uses. Clear about this? Clear about this? Clear? Both are same, but here distinct is the word which we uses in the writing query. To explain that distinct only, I've taken that particular word like unique. That's it. Remove duplicates is a different word uh, that we should not use over here. And also, I'll show you the duplicates removal. These all things were very enthusiastic and interesting things in this data related field. We'll discuss that also, but not here in Python, in Power BI, in Excel part. In second, it's getting opening, guys. 2 minutes. So the same query tool I'm opening. See again the same thing I'm showing. See these were the things we have discussed it till the distant part we have discussed it, right? So now let's show you the one second, guys. One second. From where I have to start? One second. Let me check once again. From where distant or okay, fine. Let's go with this. Let's go with the where class. For example, writing the same query, start from here. If you see, if I want, so among these rows, if I want to extract the rows, if I want to extract the rows where only among these rows, if I want to extract the rows or unit price, suppose I want unit price should be like greater than 1000, suppose I want this only 1000, or else like stock quantity should be greater than so and so, like 200, suppose 200. This is my this is my thing which I want to extract from this. Only rows I want to extract, suppose only rows. So what have to do means, in English normally how we say, see, select star from products where unit price is greater than 1000. See, I'm giving the condition over here, where where class, where particular column unit price should be greater than 1000. So you can see all the columns, all the rows which is greater than 1000. Not only this, see, select star from products where quantity is greater than 50. I want above this, greater than, lesser than, we can give, say. You can see all the rows over here greater than 50, you can say. Greater than 50, you can say, in the stock quantity you can say. So after this, if I go with, if I take the same, or else like suppose this I'm taking, this I'll be going with 500, suppose. Okay, I'm copying this, see, and and stock quantity should be greater than 50. This is greater than 200 and stock quantity should be greater than 50. If I run this, what and will do, any one of you, what and have done, and have done over here. If you see here, we have taken two columns, see, unit price greater than 200 have extracted, and stock quantity greater than 50. But what and does means, both the conditions has to be satisfied. Here and over here, both the conditions over here has to be satisfied. While writing a query, I want to extract the unit price should be this one condition, suppose unit price where unit price unit price should be greater than 200, and stock quantity should be greater than 50. Here and is like this condition, both of the conditions, if both of the conditions satisfies only, it will execute. If one of the conditions satisfies, these two rows has to match. This row unit price should be greater than 200, greater than 200. This has to be match. This has to be match. Both the columns conditions has to be matched. Then only it executes. If any one of the condition is not satisfied, it won't execute. If any one of the condition is not satisfied, it won't execute. Okay, both the conditions are satisfied, only it executes. Okay, that is for the AND. Okay, then we can go for the same thing. See, OR part. What OR does? What OR will do? Anyone of you what OR will do? Put it in chat. What OR will do? Put it in chat. What OR will do? OR. AND means two conditions. Both of the condition has to be satisfied. Then only it executes. And we know OR means not only this, anything you can take in between this. See, stock quantity should be greater than 100. If I'm using this, both has to match. Here both matching is not there. Here in this query matching is not there. That's why there is no output. So here OR is like, if any one of the condition is satisfied, if any one of the condition is satisfied, it executes either this or that. If one condition is satisfied, it executes. Here it won't rely on both conditions. It only rely on the one condition, that's it. It only rely on one condition, that's it. Clear with this? Or if one condition satisfied, it executes. Or is like, or if this is one condition, this condition 1, this is condition 2, suppose one criteria. Here if you see, if one of the conditions satisfies, if one of the conditions satisfies, or will execute. Okay, or will gives the returns the output. Okay, if you see here, unit price and stock quantity, if or over here, once again, one second, yes. 1 minute, 1 minute. See, or over here, here two conditions. Condition 1, condition 2. If any one of the condition satisfies means, if any one of the conditions satisfies means, it returns the output. It returns output. It returns the output. Here no need to satisfy the two conditions, but in AND part, two conditions has to satisfied. Note, in AND and two conditions has to satisfy. How many conditions we are giving? That many conditions has to satisfy. How many conditions we are giving? See, two conditions has to satisfy. Or if one condition satisfy also, it returns output. If one condition among it returns output. Clear with this? And or any queries? Only one condition satisfy. It will satisfy one condition. Which one? Regarding which one? Regarding which one? Regarding which one? Clear with this? If one condition satisfies, it returns output. You can check it out. See, you can check it out. I'll show you. One second, I'll show you. See, here, if you see here, I'm just running the products table. First of all, I'll run this. You can count it out. You can just observe this. Here, conditions have given above 100 and this. Both the columns it returns. See, I'll write here. See, unit price. First of all, I'll write here unit price. Stock quantity, suppose see here, greater than 1000, right? Here 1200 is there, and 1200 is there, and here greater than 100 is there, right? Greater than 100 means this column will come 50, one satisfied, say. And after that, here greater than 100, right? Here, here 200 will come 29, 150 will come 89, 2499 30, 1 treble 9 40. Let's see. See, the same output, right? 1250, this part 89 150, 249 and 30, 199 and 40. Clear with this? Someone have asked this query. Clear with this? Clear with this? Hello? Okay. One condition satisfied by it returns. But in the AND part, two conditions has to be satisfied. Okay, suppose if we are having the column of two criteria means this two columns has to matching criteria, we have to use and if one if we are okay with one thing satisfaction means we can go with this our part. Okay, let's now go with the between. What normally meaning of between in between, what exactly the meaning of between in English లో between అంటే ఏంటి? What exactly the meaning of the between in English? Between in English. Any one of you between in English? What is between in English? Between in English. Meaning of between in English. Middle. Yes. See here. Here range. If you see, select See, this is a comment part, guys. Open slash C here. I'll show you comment first of all. Slash C, this part. You can write anything. It will become comment. See, comment. Comment in SQL. Comment in SQL. Again star slash C. Now it was in blue. It was in this color. Before that, it was from the if I'm not giving this, it also is into the part of comment. Whatever you'll write, if you're not closing this, it becomes into the comment. Okay, this part is comment. Okay, opening with starting with this star. Okay, this part and comment star and again this part. Okay, if you're not using this, whatever you'll write, that also will become comment. So that's the reason you have to be cautious. Select star from unit price. Let's now see about the sorry, select star from products, right? I want an unit price between 500 to 1000. Select star from products where between 500 and 1000. What it will returns? Say between this two, it's going to return. Okay, okay, fine. After this, let's go with the in. In. Once again, something issue with this button. Products where category ID in. Suppose you have this. If you see here, category ID, see, 8 rows you can see here. 8 of 8 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there, right? Okay, 5 are there. So in category ID in 1 comma, see I'm using this 1 comma 2 comma 5, suppose I can extract the particular category ID. It have extracted this particular category ID. I have gone with 1, 2, 3. Here I have given where particular column I have given category ID in 1 comma 2 comma 5 I have given. So I'm taking this to here, category ID. Suppose in 1, 2, 5. Particular category IDs it will extract. Particular category IDs extract. Particular category IDs it will extract. That's it. Particular category IDs it will extract. In, you can see not only this, select quantity in, so you can go with this like this also. 50, comma 100, comma 200. Right now I want only stock quantity should be this, not more than this. So you can check this 50, 100, 200. So 50, 50, 100, 200. 50, 100, 200. Clear with this everyone? In part. Clear with everyone? In part. Clear with everyone in part? Clear? Okay. Let's now go with the like I like. Like and I like. Like and I like. Normally, for example, if I want to, for example, if I'm having the row, for example, column, if I'm having this column, having suppose 10,000 rows, suppose 10,000 rows, suppose 10,000 rows, suppose I'm having the column of 10,000 rows. I want to extract the columns which starts with. Here the question over here is like, I'm having the 10,000 rows over here. 10,000 rows over here. 10,000 rows over here. I want to extract the rows. And my question is like, from this column, my question is, what if I want to extract or returns the rows, starts with letter I can, is it possible? Yes, this possible. We can extract the pattern matching, this is called as a pattern matching. So with the matching of alphabets, with the we can extract. So what like and I like will do, if we want to extract, what I like and I like will do, this will extract, this will returns the rows from the columns, this will return the rows from the column according to the matching. This will return the rows from the column with matching. With By matching we can extract. Okay, by matching we can extract. By matching we can extract. So select star from products. Select star from where like where product name like percentage, and here if I'm giving I. One second, something issue with this. One second, guys. See, it have extracted the rows which is matching the I. It have extracted the rows which is matching I. If I is before, it extract the rows starting with I. Starting with I. It extract the rows starting with I. I'll show you. And also if you see here, what we want to extract. Suppose if I want to extract, see, if I want to extract, here we have extracted I right, iPad. These were the two things, 8 rows, iPhone 12, iPad Pro. So see, it have extracted the same thing. If I'm not giving I, what? Let's extract which one? Yes, capital S. See, in the product name, it have extracted the columns. It have extracted the rows in the column which starts with S. Like, so suppose if I'm not giving here, observe this column again. If I'm giving A over here, starting, see, percentage, if I is percentage, I is starting, percentage is added. Remember, I is starting and percentage is added. Once again, guys, it unfortunately it have some keyboard mistake. Okay, suppose I want to copy this. I'll copy this. Here you can notice. Here you can notice I percentage, which is enclosed in quotation. I is starting, I is at beginning, and percentage is at ending. So I is at beginning, right? Beginning. That's why if I is at beginning, if I is at beginning, that will returns the rows from the column starting with I. Clear with this? Clear with this? Any queries till now? Someone have given message. Is it possible to use BOT in and in single query? Come again, haven't got your query. Is it possible to use both in and in single query? Okay. Yes, we can. We can try. You can try with that. See. Yes, we can use. See. One second. I'll show you. I'll try with this. One second. Let's try with that. Let's ask this SQL itself. I'll take this unit price and stock quantity. One second. I'll target this two columns. Price I'll give which one, or else the product ID will be simple, right? Sorry guys, some issue with my keyboard, that's the reason. Okay, ignore that. Okay, some issue with my keyboard. Product ID and the same thing, category ID, right? Okay. Sorry guys, some issue with my keyboard. Ignore that. Issue with my keyboard, that's it. See, you can have taken or over there. If you try with the and part, it will. So, and in. You can write as per your wish. Nothing is there. If I go with this and means 104, not 3. Hello, which ends with A. See. Okay, fine, guys. Anyways, time is tomorrow. We'll continue from here. We'll continue from here tomorrow. from here. Okay, tomorrow I'll continue from here. I'll be sharing the material and this stuff once again. Again, I'm saving this. Any queries you can ask me, guys. If no queries, you can leave. I'm just uploading this. The material which we have seen once again. Where it is once again. So here it is. The same notes I'm uploading in the drive access. Okay. Page admin live also it will be there. The queries which I've written also. Some keyboard with keyboard issue. If any queries missing of the alphabets means you can just understand that. Okay. I've uploaded, guys. You can check it out. Okay. If any queries, you can stay back. If no queries, you can leave.